Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship, also known as a one-man business, may be defined as a form of business enterprise owned, financed, and managed by one person, with the primary aim of maximizing profit. For example, farming, fishing, small-scale manufacturing, and printing are all sole proprietorship businesses. Characteristics of sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is owned by one person. By this we mean that it is majorly run by one person. The objective of a sole proprietorship is to maximize or make profit. In sole proprietorship, capital is provided by the owner, who is the sole proprietor. The sole proprietorship has unlimited liability. The sole proprietorship is not a legal entity, as the owner is not separated from the business. The lifespan of a sole proprietorship business depends on the owner, as the enterprise can fold up at any time. In management, the business is controlled and managed by the sole proprietor himself. Sources of capital of a sole proprietor. The sole proprietor can obtain his capital from the following sources: from personal savings, from loan from friends. He can also obtain capital by purchasing goods on credit from the suppliers, producers, or wholesalers. This type of purchase is known as trade credit. The sole proprietor can also obtain capital from financial institutions. This can be in form of loan or an overdraft. Government can also release capital to its agencies in support of certain programs. For example, the government of Nigeria, under its poverty alleviation program, can release some funds in the form of loans to unemployed graduates, amongst others, to set up small-scale business. This constitutes a source of capital for a sole proprietorship. In other words, grants and loans from government is a source of capital of a sole proprietor. Reasons for the continued existence of small-scale business units include the requirement of small capital to set up the business. The small-scale business units are easy to set up or establish since no formalities are required. There is always incentives, that is reward for hard work, since ownership instills pride and drive for success. Small-scale business units always enjoy customers' loyalty and good relationship, which ensures continued patronage. There is low level of risk in the small-scale business unit. There is the ability to change policies quickly in order to meet the changing needs of the customers. Small-scale business meets the peculiar needs of customers by keeping variety of goods from which consumers can choose. In small-scale business units, there is the availability of goods in remote areas, in that goods are distributed to remote areas. Small-scale businesses serve the need or provide the requirements of larger firms.